Hello, my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Creation. My dear lovely friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I'm showing a outfit trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand-knitted doily-less fancy cotton crochet summer top designs. Dear friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find all trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Lovely friends, I will try my best to show all the ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel.